An attractive and contemporary exterior design, a roomy and well-appointed interior made of premium materials, and an intuitive infotainment system with a big touchscreen display are just a few of the amazing features offered by the 2026 Kia Sportage. A panoramic sunroof, a premium audio system, and a head-up display are available as options, in addition to the standard advanced safety systems like lane departure warning, frontal collision avoidance, and blind spot monitoring. Fuel economy is a major selling point for the 2026 Kia Sportage. It is a cost-effective option for both short commutes and extended road trips thanks to its available hybrid and plug-in hybrid powertrains, which provide outstanding gas mileage. In addition, the Sportage's sophisticated and pleasant ride quality makes it an excellent choice for trips both in and out of the city. Its roomy cabin makes it ideal for both individuals and families, with plenty of space for passengers and cargo. In the compact SUV market, the 2026 Kia Sportage offers great value at a price that's hard to beat. With a fair starting price for the base model and reasonable prices for higher trim levels, you can get a lot of features and conveniences. In order to make the Sportage even more accessible to potential purchasers, Kia also offers a number of financing options and lease deals. Finally, for individuals in the market for a small SUV that is both fashionable and functional as well as economical, the 2026 Kia Sportage is an attractive option. In this cutthroat industry, it stands out thanks to its affordable price, cutting-edge technology, and appealing features. Whatever your priorities may be, fuel efficiency, safety, comfort, or technology, the 2026 Kia Sportage is sure to provide.